Donald Trump has once again ignited controversy with a bold and contentious plan for the Gaza Strip. The former president, in a recent statement, proposed that the United States take control of the Palestinian territory. This plan, he argued, would bring an end to the long-standing Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Trump envisions a radical transformation of Gaza, aiming to turn it into a glittering Riviera of the Middle East, complete with luxury resorts and bustling commercial centers. Central to Trump's proposal is the relocation of the Palestinian population currently residing in Gaza. While the destination for the displaced Palestinians remains unclear, Trump has suggested neighboring countries like Egypt or Jordan as possibilities. He argues that this move would provide Palestinians with better living conditions and economic opportunities. This proposal, however, has been met with immediate and widespread criticism, both domestically and internationally. Critics have denounced the plan as unrealistic, impractical, and bordering on illegal under international law. The plan has been labeled by many as a blatant attempt at ethnic cleansing, drawing parallels to some of the darkest chapters in human history. The international community has roundly condemned Trump's Gaza proposal. The United Nations, along with major global powers, has expressed deep concern and outright rejection of the plan. European leaders have labeled it a violation of international law and a dangerous escalation of an already volatile situation. Arab nations, including key U.S. allies like Egypt, Jordan, and Saudi Arabia, have also voiced their strong opposition. They view the plan as an infringement on Palestinian rights and a threat to regional stability. Even within Israel, reactions have been mixed. While some right-wing politicians welcomed Trump's proposal, seeing it as a solution to the long-standing conflict, others, including residents of Tel Aviv, have dismissed it as unrealistic and potentially counterproductive. The Palestinian Authority has vehemently rejected Trump's plan, calling it a blatant attempt to erase their presence and claim to their homeland. The Palestinian people, both within Gaza and the West Bank, have shown fierce resistance to the idea of relocation, viewing it as a continuation of their displacement that began in 1948. The Palestinian response to Trump's proposal has been one of defiance and a firm commitment to their homeland. Palestinians see this plan as a direct assault on their identity and right to self-determination. The memory of the 1948 Nakba is deeply ingrained in the Palestinian collective memory, solidifying their resolve to resist further uprooting. Hamas has voiced strong opposition to Trump's plan. They view it as a ploy to dismantle their authority and marginalize Palestinians. Despite this, Hamas will not derail ongoing ceasefire negotiations with Israel. The future of Gaza hangs in the balance as this proposal complicates the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. The international community must find a just solution respecting both Israelis and Palestinians. Imposing a solution like Trump's will likely inflame tensions and push peace further out of reach. While the world grapples with his Gaza plan, Trump has set his sights on a dramatic restructuring of the U.S. federal government. Central to this overhaul is a massive reduction in the federal workforce. Trump's administration has offered a buyout to an estimated 2 million federal employees. Leading this transformation is the Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, headed by Elon Musk. DOGE aims to streamline government operations. Critics argue DOGE's focus on budget cuts could compromise essential services. Two close associates of Musk have access to the Treasury Department's payment systems. This move has raised concerns about privacy and financial data security. The dismantling of USAID is another significant development. Trump has ordered the agency to be dismantled, freezing foreign aid programs. This move has drawn sharp criticism from humanitarian organizations and former USAID officials.